Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out Chippin. These are a very fantastic product. You can see my dog here is very interested in everything we're doing. I'm gonna show you how these are great for the environment. We're gonna tell you a little bit about it. And let me show you Janetti's first reaction to them. Her first time trying one. This is her second one now. Hey baby girl, you wanna try one of these? You wanna try one of these? Okay, good job. Pretty good, right? You're a fan. You want more? I know you do. You want more, don't you? Yeah, they're pretty awesome. All right, so what's great about these, they're made with protein that is good for the environment, like cricket protein. There's a lot of different options. First, we have the Chippin. This is silver carp, so it's really good for the environment. You can tell my dog is super excited about this. And, of course, the cricket protein, which is super good for the environment. Instead of having cows and mammals and things that have such feelings, why don't we feed crickets? All right, this is healthy, it's good for you. And oh no, my dog's falling down. She's falling over me to get these. Here you go, Janetti, here you go. She absolutely loves them. So they taste good. I apologize. This is like Blair Witch camera. But they're a fantastic product and they're good for the environment. Let me go ahead and set up a tripod and we'll tell you a little bit more about them. All right, so here's the thing. When you're talking about beef-based snacks, use a lot of water. You do a lot of harm to the environment. But cricket protein and silver carp are gonna make a real difference. They are better for the environment. They're sustainable. And turns out, they taste pretty good. This smells like beef jerky. You can see it's nice and soft, which is good. My Janetti Spaghetti here, she just turned 16 and she's on a lean diet, and it's great that she can have something as a healthy snack that's good for the environment. So you can see how much she loves it. She's a big fan, she's a sweetheart. But if you wanna help the environment, reduce waste, reduce the carbon paw print, well, these ones are absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, I apologize. The beginning of the video was a little shaky because Janetti was going wild for these things. She was attacking me for them, and it's an old lady that's unlike her. She usually doesn't have this much energy. Imagine, 16-year-old dog, and she cannot get enough of these. So go ahead and pick yours up. Again, it is Chippin for the environment. Let's go ahead and give you an up-close portion of this video. Let's say goodbye, Janetti. Janetti, you want one more? You want one more? I'll give her a part of one. I don't want to give her too many snacks. She won't eat her dinner, but look at this. Such a good thing. All right, folks. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, let's go ahead and look up close and personal. This is the Chippin. Chip in for pets and planet. Reduce carbon footprint, paw print, cricket protein, training treat for dogs of all ages. So it's sweet potato, carrot, and cricket, or silver carp, sweet potato, and cranberry. This is planet friendly, small business, locally sourced, and easily digestible protein. We are all protein. Omega-3 rich, clean fish with no mercury, digestible, more digestible than chicken, developed with board certified vets, oven baked in the US of A. You can improve water quality, protect the Great Lakes, and restore biodiversity. Folks, why would you not select a product that is great for your pets and for their health? This one includes cricket protein, sweet potato, molasses, carrot, tapioca starch, chia seed, flaxseed, and sunflower meal. Those are all things that I should be eating. And this one, silver carp, sweet potato, glycerin, tapioca starch, cranberry, carrot, flaxseed, chia seed, sunflower meal, and natural flavor. That's just smart, folks. All right, I cannot wait. Wish I would try these. Seem kind of fun. Janetti Spaghetti's gonna love them. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. They're all kind of soft, so if your dog has bad teeth, like my old lady Jean, who's 16 now, these are gonna be perfect for. All right, thanks again for watching. Ooh, they smell like beef jerky. Am I allowed to eat these? All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.